Autoencoder. Description. A type of neural network designed to learn efficient representations of input data. Typically used for unsupervised learning tasks such as dimensionality reduction. Components. Encoder. Description. Encodes input data into a compressed representation latent space. Layers. Dense layer 1. Units. 128 number of neurons in the first dense layer. Activation function. ReLU activation function for encoder layers. Dense layer 2. Units. 64 number of neurons in the second dense layer latent space size. Activation function. ReLU. Decoder. Description. Reconstructs input data from the compressed representation. Layers. Dense layer 1. Units. 128 number of neurons in the first dense layer. Activation function. ReLU activation function for decoder layers. Dense layer 2. Units. 784 number of output units e.g. for reconstructing MNIST images. Activation function. Sigmoid activation function for output, typically sigmoid for image reconstruction. Training parameters. Optimizer. Adam optimization algorithm. Learning rate. 0.001 learning rate for gradient descent. Loss function. Mean squared error loss function for reconstruction error. Epochs. 50 number of training epochs. Batch size. 64 batch size for mini batch gradient descent.